Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for the support. In this video, I will be showing you some essential oil sets that I found from two companies. Okay, these companies, I've done my research, I've looked them up, read reviews, read about the products, how they make the products, and so on and so forth. And I wanted to share with you all, what I'll be using moving forward with more DIY content that I'm going to be bringing your way. So without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So the first brand is from the company Cliganic. Okay, Cliganic Essential Oils Aromatherapy Set, and it's certified organic, 100% pure and natural, and it has 6 essential oils inside. So let's take a look. The first one, get that out, let's put this down. Okay, the first one is peppermint oil. Okay, next one is lavender. And peppermint oil and lavender I've used multiple times on this channel doing different things. That's why I wanted to get them, and also I needed to restock because I ran out as well. Next I have eucalyptus oil. I also have eucalyptus from another brand as well, and tea tree oil, and then we have lemongrass here, and also orange oil. Orange oil I haven't used, but I'm excited to use it. Okay, so all right, moving on. And I love the packaging, the natural, simple, so beautiful. All right, next brand, set this aside. Next brand is from the company MitFlor. Okay, again, it's pure essential oils, therapeutic grade. All right, and again, nice sleek packaging. And these oils, I'm telling you, like, the reviews are raging. Like, people just love them. People just love these oils and what they have to offer. So I am so excited to try these and use them for different things. So with the MitFlor, first we have, so again, it comes in nice packaging. First we have essential oil called Lang Lang. Okay, again, it has the little label here. All of these USDA organic. Okay, I believe it's this one, or it could be the Cliganic. One of them, they use a process to make, the process that they use to make the essential oil is a process called steam distillation. So just for little info there. And next we have Rose pure essential oil. I'm excited to use that. Next we have Freesia right here, pure essential oil. Then we have Cherry Blossom. Now I've used Cherry Blossom in my I have a fragrance oil that I got from the company CreatingPerfumes.com. In Cherry Blossom I've used over the course of the years, but I'm excited to try this with this company here. So this is Cherry Blossom. I love Cherry Blossom. Next we have Dark Tea. This one is Dark Tea. This is interesting. I wonder what it smells like. A lot of people I've noticed in the reviews, they say they like the Dark Tea the best. It's the best fragrance out of all of them, but we'll see. So this is Dark Tea. And last but not least, we have Jasmine. Telling you, I'm so excited, guys, like, to be trying these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's like I become like a little kid at the candy store when it comes to fragrances. I just love mixing and putting things together, making my own custom fragrances, and I hope that this video can help you, help anyone out there. And be sure, please check the description box below. I will have the links to these two companies as well as the links to all the other companies I've used over the years. I've used CreatingPerfume.com, I've used EssentialDepot, and so on and so forth, and some other companies too, but I'll link all the information in the description box. So please check it out. And if there's anything I didn't mention in this video and you have a question, please leave your questions down below in the comment section, okay? And as always, thank you so much. We are in a new year, okay? New things, new victories, new experiences in the Lord, and I just want to express my gratitude once again to all of you. Thank you so much, and I hope this video really helps you. And be sure to check out my videos coming up in the future using these oils, okay? I'll be using these oils to make body sprays, be using these oils to fragrance carpet fresheners. I have things that I want to share with you guys, and these oils will be shown to you of how we're gonna have some fun with these. All right, so stay tuned, and once again, till next time, and remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So I'll see you all in the next video. Later.